how to make this text animation using Adobe After Effects. Hello everyone. Now we are on After Effects. We imported the video we'll work on. Now we import it, which is this one. We go to New and put text. We type anything we want. I'll write magic. Now, again, New, adjustment layer, and we make sure that the adjustment layer is above magic. We go to effects and we search for magnify. Now, we don't choose this one or this one. We'll choose magnify and preserve alpha. We put it on the adjustment layer. Now we have this. We go and center it right on the center of the word magic. For this, we play with magnification. So if you reduce it, we'll return to the original word. Now we want it to be 160 is good. We also can expand the size, which is the size of the lens magnifying the word. I will leave it on 260, which is good. Now we go and link the track mat, not the parent link, the track mat. We'll link it to magic, and now as we can see, it's gone. So to bring it back, we need this effect, which is exposure. So we type exposure, and now we go to the color correction exposure and we put it here. You can choose pulse exposure or embossed multiple exposure. Why to choose this? Because as we can see, when we increase the exposure, the word now is showing, but as a glassy word, you can see behind it. And if you also increase the gamma, you can see that the word is now turning into white color. So we will leave it on between 1.2 and 1.6. So I'll leave it on 1.35, which is this one. So now we have this effect. Are we finished? No. We go to the magic word. We select the text. We go to Animation Composer. And if you don't have this, I'll put a link in the description. It's free, by the way. You go and select the in animation and out animation. For the in and out animation, we'll go to this one, the reveal one. We apply either to the in and the out or both. For now, I will put only the in. So we have this. Okay, you can play with it, you can move it down, you can move it up, the timeline. Okay, so now we are good. I wanted to end at second 4, as you can see right here, and I put another one, which is this effect. I'll show you the second effect we need to put, which is we go back to browse and we go here and search for the wiggly effect. Okay, this one. Now we put this and we press apply. As you can see now, if we hit that back, so the second animation goes in dominant for the first animation. What we need to do is go back to Animation Composer And as you can see, we have the first one, which is this one, and we have the second one, which is this one. Okay, so for the second one, we'll put the animation, which is the in the second four. So we add a marker on the in, and we move 2 seconds, and we put the animation out. We add the marker right here. So now let's preview the whole thing. Amazing. So now as you can see, the first animation is back again. So instead of this fading away, it went back and we show the word again. So to fix this, it's simply we go and reduce this. As always, if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more useful videos.